Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use rice cooker mode on your THERMOMIX TM6. The rice cooker mode can be used by sliding to the right page and then finding the mode right here. Now you should put the rice in the simmering basket, which is this one. You should put the rice in it and put the simmering basket in your mixing bowl. So let me show you that. So I take you up, then you can open the lid and put the simmering basket like that. Then there should be rice inside, and of course the water level should be preferably to the max level. Max is 2.2 liters and it's marked right here. Then yeah, just like water as much as you can, but of course if you add rice, shouldn't overflow. The water shouldn't be above max, so like put the water a bit lower, because once you add rice, the volume of the water plus rice will increase, and you shouldn't like do more than there should be. Now you can start cooking, of course, by closing the lid. It will automatically start cooking. Yeah, depending on like how much rice you add, and then once you're finished, you can actually use this tool in order to take it out safely without burning your fingers. You need to attach it towards you, and then you can see it is removed. I should actually attach it like more, yeah, like that, and then you can get the water out of it like that, and then flip it over so that the rice gets out of it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.